So this is the example 7th of lesson 6. What you have given? You have given one trapezium. Trapezium matlab two sides will be parallel and you can see these are the two non-parallel sides, right? But it is your isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium matlab the non-parallel sides have equal length. Can you see? C and C. So that trapezium is known as isosceles trapezium and we have to find the area of the isosceles trapezium. Now always remember isosceles trapezium is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic matlab its four vertices will touch the boundary of the circle. Okay. So since it is a cyclic quadrilateral, so to find the area of this cyclic quadrilateral, which is isosceles trapezium, we will use the Brahmaputra formula as S minus B, S minus C and S minus D, right? Now, what is S? That is our semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter matlab half of the perimeter. So what is the perimeter? Sum of all the sides means 2A plus 2B plus C and whole divided by 2. 2A plus 2B, C plus C will be the 2C and whole divided by 2. I can take 2 common. It will become A plus B plus C and whole divided by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. So what is the value of semi-perimeter? A plus B plus C. Correct? We got the semi-perimeter. Now use the value of semi-perimeter in the formula. So what is your area? Semi-perimeter and subtract the first side. Let us suppose I am starting with 2B minus 2B, right? Semi-perimeter A plus B plus C. Again, this is 2B, right? A plus B plus C. What is the third side? C. A plus B plus C. And what is the fourth side? Fourth side is also C. This is your A. One is 2A, sorry, and one is 2B, right? So now look at here. Here this is your 2B. So A plus C, B minus 2B will be the minus B. Here A minus 2A, it will be the minus A. So first I am writing positive terms. B plus C minus A. C and C cancel. A plus B. Here C and C cancel. You will get A plus B. Now this is A plus B. This is A plus B. Both the terms are same and it is a square root. So A plus B will come outside. Yes or no? And then inside the root what you will get? You will get A plus C minus B and this is your B plus C and minus A, right? We will get this thing inside the square root. C plus B minus A and C plus A minus B. Now look at here. Which term is not changing the sign? Here A minus A changing the sign. B minus B changing the sign. C is a term which is not changing the sign. So I am using the formula of A plus B, A minus B is A square minus B square. What is A? Which don't change the sign. So can you see? C is not changing the sign. So it will become A square, matlab that is your C. And what is changing the sign? A minus B. Can you see? A minus B is changing the sign. So A minus B whole square. Am I clear? You know the identity? A plus B, A minus B is A square minus B square. What is A? Which don't change the sign, that is known as A. So what is not changing the sign? C is not changing the sign. So C square and remaining is A minus B. A minus B whole square. If you want, you can write it as B minus A also. Doesn't matter because it is a whole square. So again, it will be the same thing only. So this is the formula of isosceles trapezium. Okay, it is isosceles. Isosceles means two non-parallel sides are equal. So that is our isosceles trapezium and that is the formula of area for the